you can reset your WhatsApp two-step verification. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is opening up your WhatsApp. Just open up your WhatsApp and go to the settings on the bottom right. Now after you're there, just go to account, and when you're on account you will see two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification and there you will see the option to change your PIN. Now just tap on change PIN and you'll need to enter a new PIN. So just enter a new PIN and confirm the PIN and tap on done and you're good to go. Now you can add an email if you have not, or you can just skip it too. So by doing that you will have reset your WhatsApp two-step verification. And yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and also check out our other contents on our channel. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.